double do the thing, but the back. They don't have to say when I read it's time for emergency alert system.
This is an emergency action notification emitted by the Federal Emergency Management Agency in collaboration with the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services activities. A spore-based brain infection is rapidly spreading across the country and abroad. This infection is caused by a fungus which wraps its host's brains and grows while the host is still alive, taking away their higher brain function and causing the infected to become hyper-aggressive. The infection is highly contagious and both direct contact and airborne transmissions have been reported. For this reason, all international and interstate travel is currently not allowed. The following orders must be followed by all residents in the affected areas. Stay at home with doors and windows securely locked and avoid as much human contact and exposure to the outside environment as possible. Report all cases of infection to your local authorities so that the infected can promptly be quarantined. Do not attempt any contact with infected people, for they become highly aggressive and attack any uninfected on site. Gas masks are currently being distributed by the authorities and should be worn until further notice. The emergency alert system has been activated. All broadcast stations, cable systems, and wireless connections in the affected areas shall transmit this message.
Just says GREEN, number 1 trend, Mark Green. So it's got to be the guy. Mark Green, that's the guy. GREEN. No E. For my entry for disappoint to film, I entered hashtag. I entered Finding Nemo's body.
Ha! Ha!
Up at the data for body.